this assignment. This is a landing page. It contains my Git repo, LeetCode profile, and the YouTube demo of this video. So this is a landing page. Here this data is coming from the disaster table by Get API. We can also create disaster So it is saying invalid token since you have not logged in. I have made two things. One is admin who can create, update and delete, and other API can be used by both admin and user. So for that I am logging using a admin as a username and admin as a password. Once login, so this disaster report is created, this one. So also on clicking edit, it will autofill this and we can update it. Now edit. Okay, so this is a like change to edit. Now I have changed it to 24, so it is 24. So this is a CRUD operation. Yeah, this is for delete. Okay, now similar to this I have created for social monitoring. It contains two API, one using a web scraping, that is a official update. It will scrap the website India Red Cross and give the update based on the filter name or tags. If there is no official update, then it will choose any random 5 and show in the UI. Along with this, there is a social media post. It will fetch from Twitter. So I have created a dummy Twitter service or API. As soon as we will change the disaster based on the tags, it will fetch. Now resources is in database there is a resource table mapped to each disaster, and based on the location it will fetch resources within some range, that is a hardcode value. So based on disaster it will get the ID, it will get the tag, and based on that tag it will also filter and fetch from the database. So these are these are dummy data saved in the database. Similarly for verification, so for verification I have put the images in the Cloudinary, that is providing to host the images services. We have two options, whether we can like verify based on the disaster ID. As soon as you change the disaster ID, it will fetch the image from the database. We can either click here to verify using disaster, or we can give our own URL to verify, like using a Gen AI API. I have used Gen AI API. So since I have used the free version, so it may take time, but it will give the result. Okay, meanwhile I can show you the databases and tables. So this is like true, it is like it will give all the information. Okay, and we can also give the URL of .png image. Okay, so this one. Now let's come to location. So location, there are two API. One is based on description, it will give the name, and second, based on name, it will find the coordinate. So for description I have used Grook API, and for this one I have used Gemini API or some other API provider. So let's copy description, and here pasting. So it it extracted the location, and based on this location we can get the coordinate. This is the coordinate. Okay, now I can show you the database. So these are the main list of tables: user, admin or user, resources, catching, reports, and disaster. I have also used the web socket for these, for disaster, resources, and reports. That's all. Looking forward to connecting and working with you. Thank you.